Hello everyone, in this video we'll take a look at artificial intelligence computer vision. So this scholarship is available in Rochester Institute of Technology in USA, and your supervisor will be Professor Pang Chang Shi. Application accepted all year round, full funded scholarship. So this is for PhD students and it is full funded scholarship. You can take a look about the project. Our research effort aim to understand nature and visual perception so that we can create more visually intelligent machines. So as you can see that this is mostly related to computer vision. So the project is related to computer vision. Our research involves fundamental computer vision topics such as video analytics, detecting humans and their pose from the images, object detection, tracking, computer vision applications such as medical image analysis, understanding soil dynamics from the videos of the human instructions. So this is mostly the project is related to computer vision. So if you are interested to that project, then you can register for that project, register an interest, or you can simply, I also recommend you that you can visit to this website first, okay? You can take a look about, you can visit to their website and then, I'll recommend you that you should contact with that professor. I want to take you to his page. Come here and then copy his name here and paste it and then search. Let's see if we can find. Yeah, here it is. So you'll go there to his page and let's see if we can find his email address. Yeah, this is the professor, your supervisor. If you will get that scholarship, then you can send an email on that email address. You can send your resume and send that subject line, for that project, and he will respond to your email, and then you can know more about the application procedure. You can also submit your interest here, but I will recommend you that process. First you need to contact your supervisor and then submit your application. If you will have more questions related to that scholarship, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video and take care. Bye.